All right, here we have the lamp. We're charging two devices at once. We got the cable charging this device here. And you can always charge your phones, your additional phones. Look at this. Starts charging automatically. As soon as I put it in there, and this is what a case. This is how strong it is, all right? So it's charging, as you can see. So it's charging two phones, not only one, it charges two. So I have that option here. All right, so the desk lamp is gooseneck. You can range it anywhere, even behind or forward. It's very movable, adjustable, right? So on top of that, power on, power off, modes, different modes. I like this one, timer, and then you could dim it down. All right, it takes about a second to dim down, and you could go back up to the highest one, right? So this whole thing is charging one phone, and then you go charge the other phone or other modules at the same time. If you're looking for a desk lamp, make sure you get something like this, but at the same time, it acts like a charger. So you could have this on your side of your bed, on your home desk, on your office, pretty much anywhere. And if you forget your charger, you always have that extra charger, extra other charger to USB. If you guys can see, it's charging right now as it is. So perfect for those that are always running on the run without their chargers and you leave your office. But if you have this in your office or at home, this is perfect. I hope you guys enjoy this video.